In Minnesota, speed limits are set by law or through a traffic investigation. To ensure a uniform approach to setting speed limits across the state, Phase 1 of the statewide Speed Limit Vision Project brought together a mix of professionals from transportation agencies and transportation users, including those representing able and non-able-bodied transit, bike and pedestrian advocacy, and public health groups across Minnesota to work together and develop a unified vision for setting speed limits. The task force, despite their varied backgrounds and interests, found common ground regarding speed limits. This led to the creation of the Unified Vision Statement in 2020 for all roads in Minnesota. The speed limit vision was ultimately set with a consideration of all users and an emphasis on safety, engineering, and surrounding land use. Phase 2 set out to implement this vision by reviewing existing MnDOT speed limit study processes for setting speed limits on local roads and state highways, gathering information from stakeholders on process changes, and incorporating the elements of the vision, as well as proposing refinements to the existing speed study process. What we heard: the process lacks transparency, that there are too many requests for the district to handle, the timeliness of response is lacking, it feels like a black box, and it's a complicated process. This led to improving the speed limit study approval process. This includes changes to the submittal package, and MnDOT will now track submitted requests through a new system to improve transparency and timeliness. The Traffic Engineering Manual has been updated to provide clarification to both MnDOT and local agencies on the new process and requirements for speed limit study requests. The manual includes updated guidance from the federal level with more detailed information on setting speed limits across a greater range of operating speeds, with a focus on roadway context, roadside environment, and crash history. New educational videos and brochures were made to help transportation professionals educate others about speed limits. To learn more or see the educational materials available, visit the project website at www.mnspeedlimitvision.org.